Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nadeja is Main, and in today's video I'm just going to be showing you guys how I lashed Tori as well as how I installed her curly wig for her trip. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys want a more in-depth tutorial on how I lash, just let me know down in the comments below, because I'm kind of interested in what you guys want to see on my channel. Again, let me know in the comments below. Alright y'all, so now it's wig time and we're about to get right into this install. Now I do have a few videos on how I install a wig on myself, but I think this is the first video of me installing a wig on someone else. I do use the same techniques, but before putting on my wig cap I use freeze spray. Now I use a new method and using the glue. So yeah, that's really the only new thing, and yeah, just keep watching. Y'all, one more thing, then I'm gonna let the video play, even though I'm gonna be popping in and out. But y'all, please excuse my appearance in this video. I was at home, and this is not a regular client. This is one of my closest friends, so I just was looking any old type of way when she came to my house. So I do apologize for the way I look. I really do. Let's get into this custom unit that I made on the sewing machine though, y'all. Come on. Go ahead and place y'all wig orders. I'm going to leave my hair page link in the description below. Alright you guys, so this is a new method that I do as well. I'm just going in with the middle and one side of her head. I didn't put the glue on her whole entire head, and then you'll see in the video where I cut the lace before I lay it down. And also I believe I used 3 to 4 layers of bow hold. So right here you guys, I'm just using that hot comb to push all the hairs back. This is something that I should have did before putting the wig on her head, but I missed a step. So I'm just hot combing the hairs back, and then you'll see after this I go in and cut along the hairline. As you guys can see, I am not cutting straight along the hairline. I was moving my scissors in a jagged motion because you do not want a straight hairline. Alright, so I didn't record the clip where I went in and cut all the excess lace off that wasn't glued down, or I just glued down those pieces that weren't glued down. But here I am. We had the elastic band sitting on her head for about 10 minutes, and I'm just blow drying it on hot. It was on low, actually. It was on low heat, so that we could just get that glue to melt into her skin more. And then I sealed it off with the cool setting. So right here I'm just gonna go in and part off her hair the way that she wants it styled, and then once I do that I'm just gonna set it in and style it like that. Y'all are gonna kill me because I did not do the baby hairs on camera. It was my first time trying the baby hairs like that. So I didn't record it. I don't know why I didn't record it, but here I am just prepping the front hairs for the baby hairs. So in the next clip you won't see me doing the edges, but you will see the reveal for the edges. As y'all can see, my good sis was feeling herself as she should. But yeah, I like the outcome of it. For my first time, I'm not mad at it. And it's only up from here, so we're just gonna improve. And yeah, that's how it came out. I hope you guys like the outcome as well. Comment down below if you do. And yeah, that's just that. Y'all can watch Tori feel herself for a little bit longer. Just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, that's it. I'm gonna see y'all next Sunday because we got bangers dropping.